5 things you should never pay a mechanic to do because they're so easy to do yourself. Hit that subscribe button and let's get straight to the point. And make sure you stick around to the 5th one because it will blow your mind. Number 1, air filter replacement. Some shops are charging between $30 and $60 in labor alone just to replace your air filter. It is literally a 5-minute job on most vehicles. If you'd like some help on replacing your air filter, hit that little banner up there. I've got a video about it. Number 2 is cabin air filter replacement. I know some shops that are charging $40 to $50 just to replace a cabin filter, and that is labor only. Again, that is highway robbery. It's so easy to do yourself. It takes like 5 minutes. I got a video right here showing you how to do that as well. Number 3 is bulb replacements. I can literally have this bulb out in less than 2 seconds. Somebody's gonna charge you 20 to 40 bucks to replace that for you. Do it yourself, it's so easy. And right here, I got a video showing you how to do it. Number 4 is wiper blade replacement. These just slide right off. That's all there is to it. Somebody's gonna charge you 20 or 30 bucks labor to do that. Don't pay for that. If you need to know how to do it, guess what? I got a video up there showing you how. And last but not least, the biggest ripoff in history is battery replacement. Some shops can charge $100 labor just to put a battery in. You can do it in 5 to 10 minutes. Save yourself that money. Again, I've got a video right up here that shows you how to do it. So I hope this video saves you some money today. I hope that you learn how to do these things yourself and keep that money in your pocket. If I helped you out, make sure you help me out by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, what are you working on today? As always, thanks for watching and have a good day.